Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on profile visibility outside LinkedIn on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up, you will click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you a window like this. You just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on visibility, then you come to next window here and you just come here to profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. You will click here, then you come here to profile visibility outside LinkedIn. You will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's my profile visibility outside LinkedIn. It's on no. I wish know you accurate, so that's all. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.